minding my biz when I saw this cat coming my way.
Dog, you know what time it is?
It's what he asked me, so I had to think fast, cause I didn't have no watch. To me it was like skin 05, so I said no. But can I ask you a question, bro? Do you know Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior?
No.
So I said, why? Don't you believe that he died, shed his blood and rose on the third day for those who have blemished their souls with sin? And he's coming back again. And don't you wanna be caught up in a rapture and make it to heaven?
Yeah, I hear you talking, but don't stop at me, keep walking. See, that's good for you, but I'm after this cheese. And these chicks I'm hawking. Besides, church is for the old or the pope, or you feel your life is done. Now, do I look like any one of those to you, son? You see, I'm way too young, still got my whole life ahead of me. Maybe in about 20 more years, when I get older, I might be ready. But hold up, somebody paging me. This is honey I met at the club last night, she wanna lay me. And you want me to get this up to go to church? You must be crazy.
Man, it's like that?
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
I can't conceive why you don't believe in
My
Jesus.
head continues.
Look, man, now how many more times do I got to tell you? And really, you don't even know me, so how you gonna care what I do? I come from a long, long line of real bad cats. From all my brothers to my father and even my grandpaps. You see, so I really can't help but to just be what I'm gonna be. And I am the way that I am, cause everything around me's all I see.
Yeah, I feel you on all that, bro, and that's understandable. Cause since in the beginning when Adam ate the fruit, sin is all we know. But we must understand the prevalent truth. There's a consequence for what we do, and the wages of sin is death, and that goes for everybody, me and you.
Yeah, but this is my reality, and ain't no church gonna change me. I've been rooted and grounded in these streets, and this is where I'm gonna remain to be. A product of the neighborhood in which I dwell in. So if my lifestyle is wrong, I guess I'm destined to go to hell then.
On your way to hell, what? Is it really worth your soul? All the fees, blowing trees, the money, and the gold? I really think you need to sit down and think about what you say. Cause hell ain't nothing we should take lightly, it's gonna be a price to pay. I can't believe it.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues. Okay. I hear everything you're saying, but I still think you should take life more seriously instead of playing. Well, I'm gonna let you go about your business, cause I ain't really wanna force the word on someone who ain't really listening.
Alright then, partner, maybe I'll see you again one day. But it won't be on Sunday, cause that's when the Lakers play. And I'll be at my pad, haha, watching on my TV. Just kicking back with my honey or maybe sipping on a cold brewski. Yeah, you all know me, Mr. Arrogant, full of pride. I do what I wanna do, and ain't got a thing to hide.
That right?
So how this brother gonna try to tell me about a guy that I can't see, when only what I lay my eyes on a touch is real to me?
Man, that's a shame.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues.
I don't know why you don't believe in Jesus.
He's the taking away.
And I can't conceive why you don't believe in Jesus.
My debt continues.
This brother gonna try to tell me about some Jesus or something. Man, you run over here real quick and give me a 40.